Thank you for choosing the Luna Bean Original Hand Casting Kit. You're about to capture a moment that will last a lifetime. We hope you enjoy this experience. Let's get started. These are all the items you will use to create your beautiful casting. You'll also need a few basic tools from home: a mixing bowl, a measuring cup, a mixing tool, and water. We also highly recommend using a thermometer to check the water temperature. This helps make sure that the molding powder sets properly. Then, you are all set. Let's dive in. Step 1. We recommend watching this video all the way through before you get started. It only takes a few minutes, and seeing the full process ahead of time will make everything go more smoothly. Step 2. Add the water. Pour 10 cups of water into the container, or use the water fill line marked on the side of the container for reference. The water temperature should be between 75 degrees Fahrenheit to 78 degrees Fahrenheit. The temperature of the water affects how quickly or slowly the mold sets. Cooler water slows things down. Warmer water speeds it up. So for the best results, grab a thermometer and try to stay right in that range. Step 3. Practice your hand pose. Place the container at a comfortable height where you can hold your pose for about 5 to 6 minutes. If you keep your jewelry on, like rings, it will capture all those fine details too. Step 4. Mix the molding powder. Now, slowly add the molding powder into the water while stirring. Gradually adding it helps avoid air bubbles. Mix for 1 to 3 minutes until the mixture turns bright pink. The mixture will never be totally lump-free, and that's completely okay. Step 5. Dip your hands into the container. Once the color fades from bright pink to light pink, it's time to dip your hands. Gently place your hands in the mixture and make sure your hands and fingers aren't touching the sides or bottom of the container. Step 6. Wiggle your hands and fingers. Now, gently wiggle your hands and fingers. This helps the molding material get into all the little details, especially between fingers and around rings or nails. Step 7. Let it set, then remove. Hold still for about 5 to 6 minutes while the mold sets. To test if it's ready, lightly touch the top of the mold. It should feel firm and not stick to your fingers. When you're ready, slowly and gently wiggle and remove one hand at a time. Step 8. Mix the casting stone. Pour 3 cups of water into a separate mixing bowl. Add the casting stone powder into the bowl and stir until the mixture is smooth. This is what will bring your casting to life. Step 9. Slowly pour, tilt, and tap. Add about half of the casting stone into the mold. Tilt, tap, and rotate the container several times to help release air bubbles. Step 10. Pour, tilt, and tap again. Pour the casting stone until it reaches the top of the molding material. No need to be exact. A little overflow is totally fine. Again, tilt, tap, and rotate the container to release any remaining air bubbles, especially around the fingers. This helps capture all those fine details in your cast. Step 11. Let your Luna bean set. Let the casting dry for at least 4 to 6 hours before demolding. For best results, demold no more than 24 hours later. Do not pour any leftover material down the drain. Toss all excess material in the trash instead. Step 12. Remove the mold. To loosen the mold, gently pull on opposite sides of the container to break the suction. Then flip the container over and slowly slide the mold out. Take your time here. Slow and steady works best. Step 13. Demold carefully. Carefully peel away the molding material using the plastic knife or your fingers. Peel in small pieces to avoid damaging any part of the casting, especially those delicate fingers. It is best to start peeling where the wrists are and work your way up to the fingers. Step 14. Clean and touch up. Use the included detailing tool and safety pin to clean off any excess molding material from your casting. Step 15. Let your Luna bean dry. Place your casting in a well-ventilated area to dry for at least 24 hours. Once dry, use the sandpaper to smooth out any rough spots. Then, let the casting continue to dry for 5 to 7 days before decorating it however you like, or simply display your Luna bean as a beautiful decor piece and forever keepsake. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at support@lunabean.com. We're always happy to help. Don't forget to follow Luna Bean on social media and tag us with your beautiful castings. Love sharing your creations? Become part of the Luna Bean family and join our affiliate program. We can't wait to see your beautiful keepsakes.